Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 withdraw the three controversial farm law was cleared by the union cabinet today. It will be our priority to take back these three laws in the upcoming season of parliament, union minister Anurag Thakur said at the cabinet briefing, adding the formalities have been completed. Mr. Thakur also sidestepped a question on the farmer demand for a legal guarantee for premium support price PSP on their produce. Last week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in a stunning U-turn announced the cancellation of the three agriculture laws and urged the protesting firm to return to their homes. In the parliament season starting to the end of this month, we will complete the process of repealing the threes law. PM Modi had said in an address to the nation before the big climb down. The Prime Minister defended the laws, saying they were meant as a reforms, mainly for small and marginal farmers in the country. Whatever I did was for a farmer. What I am doing is for the country. The farmers have been protesting at the Delhi border for almost a year. Rakesh Tikait, a top farmer leader, said that the protester would wait till the laws were formally repealed in the winter season of parliament starting on November 29. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi on Sunday said people who have suffered false rhetoric in the past are not ready to believe the words of Prime Minister on repealing the farm laws.
Murder, murder, and murder. This word has become common in the coal, steel, and rail belt area. Sometimes, reason of murder seems to be money lending, sale of land. Sometimes it's political. Sometimes it's due to triangular love fight. Sometimes it may be for the other reason, but it's sure the affected family member suffers too much. Leaders and neighbors console them. The wife becomes widow, the sister becomes brotherless, parents become son or daughterless. But police guards the place where murder occurs. They have only one computer reply. Probe is on. Let's allow us to discharge our duty. This murder in Chapui Mode of Chanda Mode and the Jamuria police station has its normal impact. Police were seen standing near meat shop and the shop was seized with some goats in the shop. It seems criminals have lost their fear of law except those local people who fear for helmet checking. Now a detailed report on the incident by our reporter.
Mudia, Dilip Sao, Chapui, Pavan Sharma. According and photo and videography by Twinkle Barnawal, an ECL worker was shot dead late Tuesday night in Chanda Mode area under Jamuria police station of Asansol. The open firing caused a strike in the area. It is reported that the masked criminal shot him. He fled after crying out the incident. There has been a panic in the area since the incident. After the incident, police officers arrived for investigation. According to the locals, the deceased ECL worker Madan Bauri used to visit a mutton shop in the area every day. He also used to gossip with the shop owner and some locals. Even at the time of incident, he was gossiping with some people of the area. Then suddenly, the masked criminal moved towards the shop and he suddenly pulled out a revolver and fired three bullets at Madan Bauri. In this firing, Madan Bauri died on the spot. On the other hand, after the firing by masked men in the shop, there were stamped in the whole area. Everyone started running here and there, saving their lives. Seeing people running here and there, the criminal also took advantage of them and managed to escape by the carrying out the incident very easily. On the other hand, hearing the news of incident, Jamuria police station reached the spot and starting investigation the case, and it is engaged in finding out whose hand is behind the incident and who were the people involved in carrying out the incident. After some time, Viswanath Bauri reached there.
খবর পেলাম যে রাত 9টা পরে আর কিছু পরে আমাদের গ্রামের এক ছেলে মদন বাউরি যে চাকরি পুলিশে চাকরি করে সে মার্ডার হয়ে গেছে।
উনি কি মাংস টাংস কিছু কিনতেছিলেন নাকি
কি করতে এসেছিলেন, কি হয়েছিল?
ওটা ঠিক বলা যাবে না, তবে মাংসর দোকানে ওনার যাওয়া আসা ছিল, আসতো যেত, এটা ছিল, হয়তো কোনো কারণে এসেছিলেন সেটা বলা যাচ্ছে না।
কিভাবে খুন হয়েছে সেটা কি জানতে পেরেছেন?
যেটা ওর কাছে ছিল মাংস দোকানের লোক, যেভাবে ওরা বলছে যে আমরা ছিলাম দুজন, ও চেয়ারে বসেছিল, হঠাৎ করে একজন মুখে বাঁধা অবস্থায় পিস্তল হাতে বন্দুক হাতে করে নিয়ে আসে, কেড়ে 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 বলে ঢুকে যায় আর ওকে ছটিয়ে গুলি করে তাড়াতাড়ি বেরিয়ে যায়।
কটা গুলি করেছে কি?
যেটা শোনা গেল ওদের মুখ দিয়ে 3টে পরপর গুলি করেছে মাথায়।
এই যে সন্ধ্যাবেলায় গুলি করে খুন করালো, কতটা এই নিয়ে আতঙ্ক রয়েছে
আতঙ্ক আমাদের এই অঞ্চলে, ধরুন রাত্রে 12টা 1টার সময় মানুষ এখানে যারা চাকরিরত তারা ডিউটি যাতায়াত করে, তাদের একটা আতঙ্ক। সকালবেলায় যারা মর্নিং ওয়াক করতে আসে ভোরে, সেটাও একটা আতঙ্ক। এখানকার যারা আমাদের পড়াশোনা করে অভিভাবকরা, মেয়েরা সকালে টিউশন করতে আসে পড়াশোনার জন্য, এটাও একটা আতঙ্ক। এলাকায় একটা আতঙ্ক হবেই।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম মানিক বাউরি।
কি নাম আপনার?
মানিক বাউরি।
এই কে বুঝতে পারলেন কে
One of her daughter says,
হতে পারে? এই আপনার বাবার সঙ্গে কারো শত্রুতা কিংবা কিছু ছিল?
সেটা তো জানা নেই, তো কি করে পার্টিকুলার কারোর নাম ধরে দেখিয়ে দেবো যে ইনি শত্রু। কিন্তু সেটা যদি তদন্ত করা হয় তো তবেই না আমাদের বোঝা যাবে যে কে শত্রু আর কি, কেন করলো, কি জন্য করলো, আর কে সে। তাহলে আমরাও দেখতে পাবো তাকে। তাড়াতাড়ির মধ্যে যেন তদন্ত হয় আর তার শাস্তিটা যেন
কোন কোন আপনার বাবা কি করতেন? হিসেল কর্মী নাকি? তো কারোর সঙ্গে কোনো শত্রুতা ছিল এরকম কি জানা যায় না?
বলছি তো, এবার জানা নেই তো কাকে দেখিয়ে দেবো আমি যে এ শত্রু? কিছু তো প্রুফ নেই, কোনোদিন তো দেখিনি। কিন্তু এবার যখন এটা হলো, এবার আমরা দেখতে চাই তদন্ত করে যেন দেখানো হয় আমাদেরকেও কে করেছে।
কোন রাজনৈতিক দল করতেন কি আপনার বাবা?
না না, সেরকম কিছু না। ব্যাস, আর আমি ডিপলি বলতে
কি নাম আপনার?
চন্দনা বাউরি।
admission open. Motion Durgapur Center. For contact, you can call us 94348 22278 890001 00080. Pur Surjit Sen Gupta according Wednesday morning to discuss BJP former West Bengal state president and MP Dilip Ghosh tea at Baranpur had arrived in, but after discussing tea near the Baranpur bus stand, as soon as the left TMC personnel started chanting Khela Hobe in front of the convoy. Kamal activities shook hands with Dilip Ghosh and said that Khela Hobe BJP supporter also came there, shortly after which the situation became tense. BJP workers started chanting slogan of Dilip Ghosh Jindabad and Jai Sri Ram The situation has normalized with the intervention of the police. On this incident, BJP MLA from Asansol South, Agni Mitra Pal, targeted TMC and said that petrol and diesel prices are skyrocketing in Bengal during Mamata Banerjee's rule. Doctors, nurses, teachers are doing all the movements. Children are being sexually abused in the homes. Ignoring all these issues, TMC gons are chanting slogan without any reason. However, Raniganj MLA Tapas Banerjee said that Khela Hobe is a very innocent slogan on which no one should be so excited, and the kind of rhetoric Dilip Ghosh makes cannot be repeated in the civilized society. There is no need to be so angry at the Khela Hobe. On the other hand, TMC supporter chanting slogan in front of Dilip Ghosh convoy said that they came here today without party flag and was protesting against the manner in which TMC leaders and workers are being tortured. In Tripura, tension interrupt in the steel town of Asansol in West Bardhaman district on Wednesday over the tea party of BJP. All India Vice President Dilip Ghosh. On the same day, Dilip Ghosh was accompanied by the Agnimitra Pal MLA of Asansol South Legislative Assembly and other BJP district leaders at the Baranpur bus stand. As soon as the tea party was over, the Trinamool Congress leader and activists appeared there. They keep chanting, "Will play." With the Dilip Ghosh, they started chanting slogans like Muradabad and Hi Hi. In relation, BJP leader and activities started chanting Joy Sri Ram. Within a movement of the whole incident, tension spread throughout the area. Police of Hirapur police station reached the spot. Central Army personnel accompanying Dilip Ghosh pulled out his car and drove away. The police handled the situation by removing both sides. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 70474568855. Call on this number. Mahua. Birthday of Sri Sri Satya Sai Baba Ji was celebrated in Bhanora Sai Ashram. It was a decorated puja and kirtan was its main attraction. A social worker, Sri Krishna Prasad, reached there. He was honored with tilak. He took a blessing of Baba. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. The High Court, a bench of Calcutta High Court was stayed and a decision of the CBI probe into the corruption case in the appointment of SSC. The bench has stayed the decision of the single bench of the High Court for 3 weeks. The state government has got a lot of relief from this decision. It is noteworthy that the state government had gone to the bench challenging the decision of the single bench of the High Court. The bench said on Wednesday that a detailed hearing was needed on the matter. In addition, the SSC and Board of Secretary Education have been directed to submit all the information in a sealed envelope to the court within this day. The trial is set to resume on Monday. Coaching for Medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Working editor Vikas Prasad, according people who drink tea in their stress day and night in winter and summer know their number is very small. Many people are fond of tea. If you want to taste the tea of Engineer Brothers, you have to come to Durgapur, a small shop along National Highway 2. There are two brothers sewing magic in an engineering pass in a cup of tea. He shifted his focus from making automobiles, mechanical machineries to making tea. Both the brothers have done engineering diploma by spending a lot of money from a private company. He has also tried to work in a governmental and non-governmental organizations, but now they are successfully tea traders. They want to expand their tea business across the state in the coming days. Engineers tea taste better just and unique as a spring tea jar. In the attraction of these two, tea lovers are constantly coming to the shop. Suman Kar, the first entrepreneur of Engineer Brother, he has a diploma in automobile, then moved to another state in search of different career. But he returned to the state due to the various problems there. Then a car started working in the showroom. But since his salary was not enough, he decided to start his own business. He first decided to start a business of automobiles spare parts, but Suman did not have a required capital. The story then took a turn for the horse. He started a tea shop in the place where he had bought a spare part. He chose a different way of making tea. Bhari brought a jar of tea to the change the way it was served. After the Suman's brother Sumit Kar passed mechanical engineer, he also gave job examination at various places including Indian Army. However, the sneeze on which something is hung from the ceiling so that cats cannot reach is not broken. After that, he started working as a helper in his brother's shops. At the moment, he is also focusing on business with his brother grandfather in the future. His goal is to expand the business together with Dada. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800 258 7060. Company block Domhani Kelazora High School teachers were seen visiting the homes of the boys who were studying in class 9 in different villages, and this time they were registered in Barabani village. Jyoti Ganguly said that we have been working in this house for 2 days in two groups, and the parents and the students are very happy. The total number of students in our school was 114 in class 9. So far there are 16 children left and they have been given till December to register. Report by Manoj Sharma from Barabani.
কোন ছেলেটার কিসে পড়ে তো এইটে পড়ে তো আমি তো মানে এই মোটামুটি 6-8 মাসে প্রায় মানে মোটামুটি 60-70 জনের অ্যাকাউন্ট করিয়ে দিলাম আপনি হ্যাঁ 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 বললাম দাদা প্রথমে একটা বড় হাতের ওই স্যার আধার
যে ও ওই
ছোট হাতের গেলা দি ওরকম করে করলে কি করে হবে বললোই নাই আর এমআরআই অত বড় নাম
News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/70019672799 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Barabani block. Barabani belongs to the panchayat. A woman named Sadhana Bauri will be age 75 years old today in the graveyard area of Barabani village. A few days ago, her house collapsed in the rain. It was covered with polythene from the panchayat. Not that the walls of the earth can fall at any time. Manoj Sharma report.
তোরা এখানে থাকছো এই ঘরে?
সব দিন
তো ঘরটা বানাবার জন্য কেউ আসে এখনো?
না,
কি
ওই
বলছে?
একবার এসেছিল ফটো মটো করে নিয়ে গেল, আর কিছু করছে না। তিনবার এলো, তিনবার।
কজন থাকো এই বাড়িটাতে?
তিনজন।
তো এটাতে কি করে থাকো রাত?
News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285/70019672799 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Todia Purulia District Human Resources Development Assistant Personnel upgradation approved by C2 handed over a demand letter to the district officer on Wednesday, demanding immediate opening of 89 child labor school or special training center STC in the district. The program include personnel from other places including Namo Digha, Kendra of Nituria block. According to the information received, the members of the organization Jubilee Maidan and handed over a memorandum to the district magistrate regarding the demand for immediate commissioning of district center. In this connection, the district secretary of the organization Parimal Banerjee said that the project director in the district is the assistant labor commissioner and the ex officio chairman is the district magistrate. He said that 89 special training center of the district have been closed since January 2020. The salaries of more than 350 workers and the midday meal of about 400 child labor students are also closed in these centers. The administrations and government are indifferent. Parimal Banerjee said, we have repeatedly appealed to government department in last 2 years but no solution was forthcoming. Shout. Meera Manjhira, an educationist from Namo Digha Center of Nituria block, Binod Karamkar, an educationist from Tilabani Center of Huda among others said that under the National Child Labor Project, under the then central government Ministry of Human Resources Development, 90 children labor schools or a special training center were started in the internal district. One TIC, one co-teacher, one vocational instructor, one clerk and one peon were appointed in each center. Vinod Karamkar and Meera Manjhira stressed that as per the rules of the ministry, there were an average of 50 children labor student in each center of the district. According to Vinod Karamkar, at a first 90 centers were started in the district, but in 2010 the administration closed one center. Hudas is from Dipali Nandi, an education worker at Tangi Noida Center of Huda and Bela Sarkar, an education worker in Ward 16 of Purulia municipality, said that according to NCLP rules, the district administration submit a survey report every 3 years. Under the supervision of the central government, again approval was given to keep these centers running for the next 3 years. After the center remained open till December 2019, they have not been approved since January 2020. However, the survey report was submitted in March 2020. Vinov Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Asansol Inspector Durgapur Station of Asansol Division, Asansol Sri Parmanand Sarma Divisional Railway Manager, Asansol Division, along with Sri M. K. Meena, Additional Divisional Railway Manager, Asansol Inspector Durgapur Station today, 23rd November 2021. Sri Parmanand Sarma, DRM Asansol, inspected how to reduce electric energy consumption, water management system. DRM inspected station circulating area and to improve accessibility to the station. Safety related aspects, passenger amenities, waste management system, and gave necessary instruction to the concerned officer Sri S. Chakravarti, SR DCM Sri Kaushalendra Kumar, Dr. Dean C. Sri S.B. Singh, Dr. COM Sri C.M. Mishra, DCS, and other officers, senior supervisor were also present in this program. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. 41st Challenge Football Cup final was played today at Domhani High School ground in Barabani block, Damodarpur, Jamuria versus Damodarpur. Jamuria won by 2 goals over Bhartal Bananpur. The game started on 16/7/2021 with 16 teams but ended after a few games for North Water. West Bardhaman District Council member Asit Singh was present in the game. Pooja Madi, Asansol Gautam Roy Chaudhary, Chief of our staff of West Bardhaman, Smita Upadhyay was present as the special guest. Manoj Sharma report.
সম্মানীয় অতিথিরা আমাদের মধ্যে তারা খেলোয়াড়দের সঙ্গে পরিচিত হচ্ছেন, তাদের উৎসাহিত করছেন, শুভেচ্ছা বিনিময় করছেন। দামোদরপুর জামুরিয়া এবং বর্ধমান আদিবাসী কিশোর সমিতি বানপুর দর্শকদের সুবিধার জন্য জানায় যে দলটি হলুদ জার্সি এবং নীল শর্ট পরে খেলছে সেই দলটি দামোদরপুর জামুরিয়া, অন্যদিকে যে দলটি লাল জার্সি এবং লাল শর্ট পরে খেলায় অংশগ্রহণ করছে সেই দলটি বর্ধমান আদিবাসী কিশোর সমিতি। এখন খেলোয়াড়দের সঙ্গে আছো তাদের বলছি তোমরা নেমে যাও, যে সমস্ত স্বেচ্ছাসেবক রয়েছে তারা গিয়ে ওদের নামিয়ে দিয়ে এসো। আমাদের যে বাউন্ডারি ওয়াল রয়েছে তার পাঁচিলে কেউ বসবেন না, প্রচুর জায়গা রয়েছে, প্রচুর জায়গায় প্রত্যেকে নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে সুন্দরভাবে খেলা দেখতে পাবে। কোনো
আমার অনেক অনেক অভিনন্দন এবং রানার্স আপকেও নেক্সট টাইম অল দ্য বেস্ট। আর বিধান আজকে আসতে পারলেন না, অন্য একটা প্রোগ্রামে ব্যস্ত আছে। আশা করছি নেক্সট টাইম এসে আপনাদের এই অভাবটা পূর্ণ করে দেবে। বাট আমার নিজস্বভাবে বলার আছে এই খেলার প্রতি উদ্দীপনা এবং উত্তেজনাটা যেন আমাদের ছোটবেলাকার কথা মনে করে দেয় আমাদের, এবং এই জিনিসটাই বোধহয় আমাদের এই বাল্যকালটা আমাদের মধ্যে যতদিন বেঁচে আছে আমরাও ভালোভাবে বেঁচে থাকতে পারি। তাই জন্য আপনারা এই জিনিসটা জীবিত রাখুন নিজেদের মধ্যে। অ্যান্ড অল দ্য বেস্ট আগামী যত টুর্নামেন্ট আছে তাদের জন্য। খুব খুব ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. I am present SMS of News Moment. How many lessons of faith and beauty we should lose if there were no winter in our year. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.